Hello! This is a package I got today. It's a Welsh kilt that my dad bought me, and it's made in the Welsh Tartan for Williams. My cat. These are the flashes. These are kilt socks. Cool. I don't know what's in here. Where did I put those scissors? Oh. Well, hopefully the camera's not too shaky. My cat Kyoko decided to join the party. I ordered this like a month or so ago, maybe like 5 weeks. Can't remember exactly, but it's made to my measurements, which is cool, and it's supposed to be made with 10 yards of fabric. Most traditional kilts being 8 yards of fabric. Oh, yay! This is awesome! I asked them for the extra bits of fabric from making the kilt, and this is what they gave me. This is so cool. This is like so much better than I expected. Ah, I can't believe it. I'm so excited about that. Ah, man, that's awesome. Look how big this piece is. So this, I don't know how good of a view I can get. This is a Welsh Williams tartan. So, unlike Scottish tartans that are exactly the same along the warp and the weft, Welsh tartans aren't necessarily the same. So, here you can see there's two yellow stripes going that way and this way, but they're not spaced equally, so you get a rectangle instead of a square right there. Anyway, apparently Welsh tartans are a pretty new convention, as same with Irish, as Irish and Welsh have been trying to, make connections with their Celtic identities or whatever. Well, it's cool. It's so heavy. So here's the strap for the inner apron. It's fun because this is my first kilt that I haven't made myself. And oh, they didn't put basting thread in there. That surprises me. I've heard that usually they ship them with putting basting stitches across. So there's the pleats. Pleats are pretty deep, which is cool. Here's the front apron straps, fringe, and the front apron. So it's cool. just undo it real quick. Nice lining at the seams. They said it was supposed to be cotton lining. Woven in Wales. There it is. Cool. I counted 40 pleats. And let's see. Looks like they're about, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8 at the, at the bottom. Close to half at the bottom. 5/8 in the middle. See, look, you can hardly see the buckle. I mean the belt loop, because they've made the tartan match up nicely. Same with the buckle straps. How nice. This is pleated to the set. So, if you don't know what that means, it means that the pattern of the tartan is made to repeat across the pleats. These are the tartan flashes. They're very different from the type of Scottish flashes that I've seen. They're so wide. Like, usually Scottish flashes are narrower like this. And then usually Scottish flashes don't just have this like single elastic thing to hold it up. Actually, it's supposed to hold your socks up, but it says Wales Tartan, Williams of Wales, woven at the Cambrian Woolen Mill. I forgot to mention, it's 13 or 14 ounce, so kind of a medium weight. Thanks for watching!